PlaneUpload automatically generates uploaded file thumbnails. Based on the file type, it can be any graphics, Office document, PowerPoint presentation, video, HTML file and many more. All the generated miniatures, you can access with our API, and use in your application. In the PlaneUpload settings, you can set options like allowed file type, maximum file size, or maximum image width and height. All images above this value will be resized to fit maximum dimensions. As you can see, now only JPG files are available, as we set only this file extension in allowed file types. Those high-resolution pictures have been automatically resized.